way on how you can remove someone as best friend on Snapchat. So what Snapchat does is if some sender or the Snapchatter is sending a lot of snap, then that person is automatically named as your best friend and you'll get the best friend sign on that person. But it can be very inaccurate at times. That person may not be best friend and you want to remove that person from your best friends list, then you can watch this video on how you can remove them. So there are so many ways of removing them as a best friend, and one of them is removing that person from your friend list. If you want to remove that person from your friend list, you can just go to their account and then tap on the three dot. Here you'll get the option called manage friendship. On the third option, you can see the remove friend option. You just need to confirm that and your friend will be removed as your best friend on your list. So another way on how you can remove that person as your best friend on your list is muting that person. So basically what happens is if that Snapchatter or the sender is constantly sending you snaps, then there is a high chance that person will be considered your best friend on this app. So what you can do is go to their account and then tap on the three dot and mute that person. Just go to chats and notifications, and here you can see the notification settings under keep snaps in chat. Just tap on it and you'll get the option of muting chats, muting calls. You can mute them for however long you want, for 1 hour, 8 hours, or 24 hours, or forever. So tap on that option and then you can mute that person, and that person, even if that person sends you a snap, he or she will not likely be considered your best friend on Snapchat since you won't interact with each other. So in that way, you can remove someone as your best friend in Snapchat. These are the two very ways that you can use to remove them as your best friend on Snapchat. So thank you for watching this video and I hope this video was helpful.